Okay, students. Actually, today we are going to start exercise 4B from question number 4. First of all of you just try to understand what the question says. So in this question says question number 4, that is the base of an iceberg. All of you read the question. Is 7 kilometer below the sea level and the top is 10 kilometer above the base. So how the diagram will make? First of all, make the diagram. Suppose this is the sea level. This is your sea level. Now in this sea level, students, all of you try to understand the base of the iceberg. Suppose this is the iceberg. The base of the iceberg is, we can say, 7 kilometer below the sea level. That means we can say, if it is suppose 0, this is -7, this distance is equals to, we can represent -7. Now in your question says the top is 10 kilometer above the base. कहाँ से लेके यहाँ से लेके नहीं यहाँ से. From this point, from this base, 10 kilometer above the sea level, we can say base. So we can say this is the top. See one time, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7. Suppose this is -7. From -7, you have to just count +10. How? Like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, okay, 8, 9, 10. This is your complete +10, because when you go in upper side, we can say this is a positive. When you go in downside, then we have to represent with the help of a negative integer, correct? So now tell me, in your question says, how high above the sea level is the tip of the iceberg? मतलब ये जो आइसबर्ग का टॉप पोर्शन है, दिस इज द टॉप पोर्शन, इस सी लेवल से लेके कितना डिस्टेंस में है? एनीवन नो? यस, द आंसर विल बी प्लस का 3, because this is 0 point. Downside all the integers are negative. This is, we can say, positive. So we can say +1, +2, +3. So the answer will be +3. That is your complete answer. So you just write down. If you want to write down like this proper sentence, you write down. Otherwise you can write down like this. -7 + 10 is equals to -3. And write down answer also properly. Okay, very simple question. Yes, now we'll move next question. Now in this question, question of 5 also very easy. Just try to understand what the question of 5 says. In this question of 5 that is given, the following were the scores of the Red House 5 rounds of an inter-house quiz competition. The scores are given, that is -10, +5, -4, -3 and +15. So what was the final score? So आपका कोई भी इंटर रिलेटेड क्विज कंपटीशन के अंदर 5 राउंड्स हुआ है, and out of this all the round some scores are given. So that score I am writing here. See all of you. 5 scores are, we can say, -10, +5, -4, -3 and +15. Okay, now what have to do, students? Simple, we have to find out the final score. So final score कैसे आप एडिशन करोगे ना? Yes, we have to do addition simple way. देखो सबसे पहले राउंड में कितना स्कोर था? -10. Then next one +5. Then next one -4. Then next one -3. Then next one +15. So what is the final score? Last stage में आके उसका स्कोर कितना हुआ at last? So what have to do? Whichever numbers are in addition, positive integers, that first of all I have to add them. How? +5 and +15 is equals to how many? +20. Write down here +20. And as I told you before also, जो number आपका negative numbers होते हैं ना, that also you can add. When all the numbers are in minus, then first of all I have to add them. 10 + 4, that is 14, + 3 17, but -17 will be there. Sign always minus. ठीक है? So 10, 20 - 7, that is +3. So we can say at final stage, okay, at final stage, your answer will be plus ka 3. Okay, understood all of you? Now we'll move next question. Now question number 6. Okay, question number 6. Let's see here. Okay, so now we'll move next question, question number 6. So in this question number 6, that is given, find the sum. That means we have to addition some given integers. So let's see how we'll find out. So in front of you, first of all, question is given, first part 200 plus minus 55 plus minus 77 plus minus का 68. That is your question. ठीक है? So very simple question. Students, actually as I told you before also, if you remember, when in front of you all the negative integers are there, और जब आपको add करना है, so in that case first of all I have to add them the numbers. जो भी numbers है उसको add कर लो. That means we can say like 55, 77, 68. Add them. 8 plus 7, that is 15 plus 5, 20, 0, 2 carry. 2 plus 5, 7 plus 7, 14 plus 6, that is 20. So 200, write down as it is, and this is also 200. If you add them, these three numbers, then this is also 200, but minus 200 will be there. So the answer will be 200 minus 200, that is 0. Yes, that is the correct answer. But you have to not write like this, you have to write down 0 like this. This is your 100% correct answer. Okay, very simple. Now we'll move next question. Next question, 1393 plus minus 407 plus minus 872 plus 690. That is your question. Now see. Actually students, as I told you again, whenever in front of you those numbers are addition, जो number हम addition कर सकते हैं, those numbers are positive, first of all add them. Positive number को add कर लो. That means this is a positive number and this is another positive. So we can say 1, 3, 9, 3, 690. If I add them, 1393 plus 690, then 3 plus 0, that is 3, 9 plus 9, that is 18, 1 carry, 1 plus 3, that is 4, 4 plus 6, that is how many? 4 plus 6, 10, 0, 1 carry, that is 2, 2083. So write down all of you. If you add these two numbers, then 2083 will come. Now again, these two numbers also in negative. And we know when both negative numbers are there, so in that case we can add them. So we'll add again. Very simple. Well, I will tell you one each and everything. Addition कैसे करते? 407 addition with 872. So 9, 7, 12. So write down all of you. Minus 1279. And when you like cancel out these two numbers, then the answer will become how many? 804. Yes, that is the correct answer. Okay, very simple question. Now that means we can say whatever remaining parts are there, जो भी आपका remaining parts दे रखा है, that you have to solve yourself in question number 6. Okay, 2 part completed, and similar way you have to solve remaining 2 parts. Okay, now we'll move next question. Now next question, question number 7. Okay, now this question number 7, all of you try to understand. Actually in question number 7 that is given, write the addition sentence corresponding each of the following subtraction sentence. That means in front of you some subtraction sentences are given. You have to write down in addition sentence. Okay, very simple question. But थोड़ा बहुत आपको use को करना पड़ेगा mind. So how? First question, 7 minus 8. Okay, I am writing some questions. More. 7 minus 8. Next is minus 8 minus 11. Okay, so first of all I am telling you these two questions only. Now in question number, actually telling you this question number 7, I think all of you understood. Main thing इसमें ये था, always remember if 1 minus is there before any digit, before any number, then you have to use 1 operator in case of addition sentence. अगर आप addition sentence लिख रहे हो, so in that case 1 plus sign operator you have to write down, and after that whatever minus is given, minus number, that you have to write down in bracket. अगर suppose मानो दोनों ही आपके पास minus है, अगर continuous minus है, so in that case write down 4 as it is, whatever number is given minus minus plus 3. And similar way here, minus 9, write down as it is minus 9, and minus minus plus 12. That is the simple answer we can say. Yes or no? Minus minus agar continuous rahe, then minus minus write down plus, and 12 is the correct answer. Okay, now come in question number 8. Now in this question number 8 that is given, find we can say first part I'm taking here 5 minus 9. What is the answer? 5 minus 9. Second one, 2 minus minus 7. Okay. So students, actually 5 minus 9, how we will solve the question? Very simple question. First of all, this is plus obviously, and we know plus minus will be there. Okay, so 9 minus 5, that is 4, and before bigger number minus sign, that's why your answer will be minus ka. Okay, now next question, 2 write down as it is, minus minus plus 7, so 2 plus 7 is equals to 9. That is the correct answer. Yes. Okay, very simple. Now we'll move next question. Let's see here, question number third part. So in question number third part, that is minus 11 minus minus 9. Okay, so here in question number third part, minus 11 write down first of all as it is, and minus minus that is plus. Correct? पता है ना आपको minus minus क्या होता है? Plus we can say. So write down minus 11 plus 9 is equals to minus plus minus, and greater number minus smaller number, that means 11 minus 9 is equals to 2, and before bigger number minus sign, that's why your answer will be minus 2. That is the 100%. Now next question, let's see, question number third part completed, fourth part. So in this fourth part, students, that is also very easy question, 15 minus minus 25. Okay, so let's see what is the correct answer. 15 minus minus 25. Write down first of all 15, all of you. Done. Minus minus plus, and write down plus 25. So 15 plus 25 is equals to 40. Yes. Done. Means this each and every question if you observe, and very easy question. If you know that thing, plus minus what, minus plus what, minus minus what, plus what, ये आपको आना चाहिए. Okay, this one. Okay, it is not visible. चलो मैं यहाँ पे लिख देता हूँ. It is minus, it is minus, it is plus, it is plus. Done. Okay, now we'll move next question. Let's see. चलो. Now next question, students, question number 9. And question number 9 actually, if you observe question number 9 हमने already बहुत बार पढ़ चुके हैं. Successor and predecessor. How many times? A lot of times ना, successor and predecessor. So let's see what is the meaning of successor, what is the meaning of predecessor. Question number 9 का first part. Actually successor means we can say plus 1 of the given number. Whatever your given number will be there, that is plus 1. And predecessor means minus 1. So all of you write down 5. So what is the successor value of 5? Anyone know? What is the successor value of 5? Very simple. The successor of write down like this. The successor of 5 is equals to 5 plus 1 is equals to 6. Yes or no? And the predecessor of 5 is equals to 5 minus 1 is equals to 4. Means successor means plus 1 and predecessor means minus 1. Very simple question. Now next question. Okay. Now students, in this question says, what is the successor value of minus 3? What is the successor value of minus 3? How will find out? Again same thing. The successor value of minus 3 is how? Minus 3 plus 1. And students, minus plus minus. So 3 में से 1 minus किया तो 2. Before bigger number, minus sign. That's why the answer will be minus का 2. Very simple. Now next one, the predecessor value of minus 3 is minus 3 minus 1. That is both numbers minus, and both number minus means minus minus plus. So write down minus ka 4. Done. Very simple question. Now all of you see here. Next question. Question number 9, two part enough na? Similar way you have to find out next one, successor predecessor, no issue. Very simple question. Minus 100 hai. Minus 100 means we can say minus 101. Okay, minus 100 हो गया. अब minus 100 का आपका that is predecessor, but successor minus 99 है ना? Like this we have to find out. Next question, let's see. Question number 10. Now in question number 10, student, subtract the first integer from the second each of the following. मतलब आपको subtraction करना है, बिल्कुल करना है. Okay, subtract the first integer from the second of each of the following. Second integer में से first integer को subtract करना है. How? Let's see. First part that is given 8 and minus का 2. That is your first question. Okay. Now how we will solve this subtraction part? Let's see. First of all, take this second one integer minus 2. Now give minus का sign. And after that first one. And as I told you a lot of times, when two numbers are in minus, then write down minus minus plus. So sign का plus नहीं होगा. 2 plus 8 10, and before bigger number minus, that's why. Very simple. Now we'll move next question, second part. Next part is given minus 15 and minus का 12. Now here तो both numbers are negative. So again we'll take second integer in the first position, minus sign, and that first one in second position. Now how we will solve? देखो ऐसे नहीं सोचना है आपको, यहाँ पे already minus है तो minus लिखेंगे नहीं. Obviously we will write down this minus also and this minus also. So write down minus 12, minus minus plus का 15. So minus plus minus 15 में से 12 minus करो 3. Before bigger number plus. Now third part, let's see here, third part, what is the correct answer? Minus 93 and 307. Minus 93 and 307. So students again, solve there. 307. Write down first of all. Give minus sign, आप लोग भूल जाते हो. And another first one integer write down in second one. So the answer will be 307 minus minus plus 93. So the answer will be 400. That is the correct answer. Very easy question, yes or no? Very very easy question. Okay, now we'll move. देखो इसका हमने we can say 3 part completed. Now remaining 3 parts you have to solve yourself. Same process. Process will be just same. Next question. Now next question, question number 11. Actually in question number 11, student, in this question says find the value of the given expression. That is also very good question. See, आपको सिर्फ addition subtraction आना चाहिए बस, that one. Okay, now see here first part. Minus 8 minus minus 15 and here minus का 10. Now how I solve the question? Let's see. First of all, we will open the bracket. What have to do? Open the bracket part. So minus 8 write down as it is. Done. Now this, when you open the bracket, then minus minus plus will be there. 15 and minus ka 10. So students, all of you see, those numbers are in negative. Those numbers are negative. That first of all you have to add them. Minus 8 and minus 10, that is minus ka 18. And this is plus 15. This is not complete answer. Now students, minus plus minus 18 minus 15, that is 3. And before bigger number minus sign. The answer will be minus ka 3. That is the correct answer. Yes, like this we have to solve next question also. Next question, let's see. Next question that is given 6 minus 7 minus 23. That is the correct answer, not question. 6 minus 7 minus 23. How will solve? Again similar way, 6 minus 7 write down. Now minus we know that is plus. And which numbers are positive? 6 and 23 are in positive. So 6 plus 23, that is 29, minus 7 is equals to 20. Done. So easy question. Now we'll move next question. That is also a very good question. Third part. That is 3 minus 4 plus 3 minus 4. Again, students, how we will solve the question? See, 3 minus 4, anyone know what is the value of 3 minus 4? 1. No, minus 1. Answer will be minus 1. Give bracket. This is also minus 1. And when you know both numbers are negative, addition will be there. So the answer will be minus ka 2. Yes, that is the complete answer. Yes, that is very, very simple question. Really, these questions are very simple questions. Yes or no? Okay, so we are done till question number 11. Last question, not thing. This is the last question. Question number 12. ये discuss करेंगे. After that, we'll move in our next class. ठीक है, हमारे next class में जो भी questions remaining रहेगा वो discuss कर लेंगे. Question number 12. Fill in the blanks. Actually, in this question says we have to do fill in the blanks with the help of less than, equals to or greater than sign. ठीक है, देखो. First part, that is minus 3 plus minus 7. And here minus 3 minus 7. That is your question. Correct. So in this fill in the blanks, which sign we have to put? दो क्वेश्चन करने वाला हूं, ज्यादा क्वेश्चन नहीं. First of all, I have to solve this part. ठीक है, कैसे? Both numbers are negative. So 3 plus 7, 10. Before bigger number, minus. Again here, minus 3 write down as it is done. Minus plus 7. This is minus 10. This is minus plus minus 7 minus 3, 4. Now students tell me if the minus 10 is greater or 4 is greater. Obviously we can say 4 is greater. So that means write down this. Next question, very simple question now, very, very simple question. Minus 23, that is minus 23 plus minus 23. That is your question. Now tell me students how I solve the question. Very simple. See, minus 23 write down, minus plus 23. Then minus 23 again write down, plus minus 23. Now this will be 0 because 23 minus 23, that is 0. And this is minus 46. And always remember students, 0 is the number. This is always greater than any negative value. कोई सा भी negative integer हो जाए, 0 always greater than. That means we can say this is the greater. So that means till question number 12, second part completed. That means remaining two part you have to solve yourself. Question number 12 fully completed. Okay. So whatever your question will be there, you have to practice properly, and next question you have to discuss in our next video. Okay. So students, thank you. Have a nice day.